These are the seeds that are growing now. These are the seeds that are growing now. We are in dystopia, and there are worse dystopias to come. Your brain is being replaced by a computer. Your brain is being replaced by a smartphone. New ways of screaming. The silent scream is there. It's there to tell you, leave my brain alone. I said, leave my brain alone. Look, it's written down here. Leave my brain alone. If you want to mutate to machinery and slavery, but not me. Your biocircuits are gleaming, happy to be a machine. Existence without feeling only functions, a life of mere functions. That's really comfortable. These are the seeds that are growing now. These are the seeds that were sown 40 years ago and that Gary Newman told you about, but you didn't notice. The mind has become an indoctrination radio, an indoctrination television show. Hail TV. Hate its messages. If you don't, you are a deviant and you will get punished. If you're not normal, you'll be punished for not being normal. You have to be a number, a digital head, a dependent digital head, or you will be punished for not being normal. If you don't let your computer replace your brain, you'll be punished for not being normal. I was. The augmented human body. The efficiency of the non-thinking zombie. The comfort of the non-feeling state. Prohibition of normal bodies is just around the corner. If you don't have an augmented body, an augmented brain, you will be pushed to the sides and put away, done away with. If you go around like me, tearing up local magazines of propaganda and normative behaviour manuals, you're taking a big risk. I say tear up all those manuals of normative behaviour. Tear up normality. It's on the page here. Scrumple it up into a ball. Put it in the bin. Get rid of all that's normal. Oh, that's normative. Normative, normal, Norman. Normative, normal, Norman. That's what we have to be. Normative, normal, Normans. We cannot be ourselves. We cannot realise our true potential. You can't go around the street like that, looking depressed with your head down. It's not upbeat. It's not good for national morale. Will it? You just can't be depressed. You have to be happy. You have to smile. You have to accept all the injustices and be ecstatic. The daily mental rate that's going on. You have to accept it and be ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. Make sure you wear a mask. The true face is not one that they want to see.